In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change border color in Canva. To change the border color of an element in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application or go to the Canva website and sign in. After you're logged into the home page, go ahead and create a new design or select a recent design where you want to change the border color. I have an existing design where I have added a border on a video. In order to change the color of the border, go ahead and select the border from your video and then go to the bottom section of the screen and tap on border color. Now choose from the available color options in the color palette at the bottom, and once you select the color, you will see that you have successfully changed the existing border color. Once you choose a new color, it will automatically apply to the border of the element. If you want to change the thickness of the border, you can simply adjust it by tapping on the style option at the bottom and select the border weight by sliding the little white dot at the bottom to thicken or to thin your border width. So that is how you can easily change the color of your border on an existing design in Canva. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.